Good morning all of you. In the last class we have already discussed about addition of integers, and in this class let's discuss about addition of integers on number line, that is using number line how we can add two integers. And let's take the example of adding two positive integers first, that is let's add plus 3 and plus 5 and let's see what we will be getting. Okay. So the first question that we are going to add is plus 3 and plus 5, that is plus 3 plus 5. So the first number here is, as you can see, the first number is plus 3. Okay. So first you have to mark that plus 3 on the number line. You already know how to mark or how to represent an integer on a number line. So first you have to mark that plus 3. As you can see, since it is plus 3, you have to move 3 units to right side, that is 3 steps to right side, then you will reach here. Okay, plus 3 is here. Now what you are going to add is plus 5. So you are again adding another positive integer. So since it is plus 5, again you have to move to right side. How many steps? 5 steps you have to move to right side, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So you will reach from 3, you will reach here. Okay, from 3 you have to move, not from 0, you have to move from 3. To which side? To right side. Why you are moving to right side? Because the number or the integer that you are adding is plus here. So you have to move to right side. How many steps? 5 steps. Okay, not from 0 but from plus 3. So where you have reached? You have reached plus 8. So plus 8 will be the answer. Okay, plus 8 will be the answer. That is plus 3 plus 5 equal to plus 8. Okay, plus 3 plus 5 equal to plus 8. So the first integer you have to mark on the number line first, then you have to move 5 steps to right side since it is plus 5. Then where you will be reaching? Plus 8. So plus 8 will be the answer for this addition. So this is all about addition of positive integers on number line. Now let's see what happens when we are adding two negative integers on number line. Okay. Now let's add two negative integers, that is minus 3 plus minus 5. So what is the first number here? The first number is minus 3. So you have to mark that minus 3 first on the number line. Since it is minus 3 means what? You have to move to left side. How many steps? 3 steps. Okay, so you will reach here. This will be minus 3. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to add minus 5. Okay, since you have to add minus 5, in which direction you will be moving? You will be moving in left side. You will be moving to left side. How many steps? 5 steps you have to move to which side? Left side. So 1 2 3 4 5. Then you will reach from minus 3, you will reach minus 8, that is minus 3 plus minus 5 equal to minus 8. Okay, you have reached minus 8. So minus 8 will be the answer for this question. Since you are adding negative number, you are moving to left side. In the first case you were adding positive number, so you move to right side. But in this case you are adding a negative number, so you have to move to which side? To left side. That is the only difference. Whenever you are adding negative number, you have to move to left side, and whenever you are adding positive number, you have to move to right side. And the first thing that you have to do is you have to represent the first number on the number line. If it's negative number, it will be towards the left side. If it's positive number, it will be towards the right side. Okay, so this is about addition of two positive integers and addition of two negative integers. Now let's see what happens when you add a positive integer and a negative integer. Okay. So now you are going to add the negative integer minus 3 to positive integer plus 5. So what is the first number here? The first number is plus 5. So you have to mark the plus 5 first on the number line, as you already know that since it is plus 5 plus, since it is plus, you will be marking or you will be moving to which side? Right side. By how many steps? By 5 steps. Okay, from 0 you have to mark 5 steps ahead. So you will reach here. This is plus 5. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to add minus 3. Minus 3 means what? To which side you will be moving? You will be moving to left side. Okay, since it is minus 3, you will be moving to left side. Left side from where? From plus 5 you have to move. That is, from here you have to move to left side. Since it is minus 3, you have to move 3 steps to left side. That is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you will reach here. That is, this is minus 3. That is, from plus 5 you have to move to left side by how many steps? By 3 steps. Then you will reach where? You will reach plus 2. This is plus 2, isn't it? So what is the answer? Plus 5 plus minus 3 equal to plus 2. How you got this plus 2? First you have to represent this plus 5 on the number line. Then you will reach here. Then from that plus 5 you have to move to left side by how many units? By 3 units. Then you will reach here. That is plus 2. So plus 2 will be the answer for this. Okay. So this is about adding a negative integer to positive integer. Now what happens when a positive integer is added to a negative integer? Let's see that. So this is the case. Here we are going to add positive integer plus 3 to negative integer minus 5. So what is the first number here? It is minus 5. So you have to mark this minus 5 first. That is, since it is minus 5, you have to move to left side from 0. How many steps? 5 steps. That is, you will reach here. You will reach here. This is minus 5. Okay. So first you have marked this minus 5. Now what you have to do? You have to add plus 3. Plus 3 means what? To which direction you will be moving? You will be moving to right side. By how many steps? By 3 steps. That is, from where? From minus 5. So from minus 5 you have to move 3 steps to right side. That is 1, 2, 3. So you will reach here. This is plus 3. So what is the answer? Or where you have reached? You have reached minus 2. So minus 2 will be the answer. That is, minus 5 plus 3 equal to minus 2. The only thing that you have to notice is that first you have to mark the number. Okay, then if it's plus, if you are going to add a positive integer, then you have to move to right side from the first number, and if it's a negative number that you are adding, then you have to move to left side from the number given. Okay, you have to move from the number given. Okay, here since it is minus 5, you have to move from this minus 5, and since you are adding plus 3, you are moving to right side. If you are adding negative 3 means what? You will be moving to left side. Okay, that is the only thing that you have to consider. So this is all about addition of integers on number line. So from all this you understood one thing, that when two positive integers are added, we get positive integer itself. That is the first case. That is when you are added plus 5 and plus 3. Then what you got? You got plus 8. Similarly, when two negative integers, that is minus 5 plus minus 3. Then what you got? You got minus 8. That is another negative integer. So when two positive integers are added, you got a positive integer, and when two negative integers are added, you got negative integer. And when a positive integer is added to an integer, the resultant will be greater than the given integer. That is in this case, you see that we have added a positive integer plus 3 to an integer. Then what happened? The resultant integer that you got is minus 2, which is greater than the given number minus 5. That is minus 5. Okay, here minus 2 is greater than minus 5. That is when you are added a positive integer to a given number, given integer, the resultant integer that you got will be greater than the given number. That is, in this case, minus 2 greater than minus 5. And when a negative integer is added to an integer, that is, here you can see a negative integer minus 3 is added to an integer, then what happens? Then the resultant integer will be greater than the given number. Will be less than the given number. That is, here you have added a negative integer minus 3. Then what happened? The answer is plus 2. And this plus 2 is less than what? Plus 5. Okay. So the resultant integer will be less than the given integer if you are adding a negative integer, and the resultant integer will be greater than the given number if you are adding a positive integer. Okay, all those things you have to consider while adding two integers on a number line. Okay, so that's all about addition of integers on number line.